Hi, I'm George the Weather Dad, and on today's broadcast, I'm going to be talking about the extended forecast. Not just any extended forecast, we're just over 2 weeks out now for Thanksgiving, so I thought I'd give you a kind of a working trend of the weather patterns working our way into Thanksgiving week and then a little bit even beyond. Start planning some of your travel there based on potential weather concerns. First, let's take a look at next week. This is the week before Thanksgiving, and this is the National Weather Service 6 to 10 day outlook. Now keep in mind, this is just a forecast model, and it could change as we get closer to Thanksgiving, but I'll keep you updated on that. But right now, it does look like very warm in the center, very chilly along the coast for temperatures at this point. Precipitation-wise, pretty much above normal and wet across most of the country with the exception of the high plains and up into the northeast. Now let's go a little bit closer to Thanksgiving. This model takes us the Monday before Thanksgiving, and right now it's showing a good portion of the eastern 2/3 of the country well above normal. Now what does that mean? Temperatures here in the Ohio Valley, we're looking at mid to lower 50s for highs, temperatures down into lower 40s. So right now, based on this projection, looks like temperatures are going to be at least in the 50s, possibly even into the 60s, working our way into the first part of Thanksgiving week. Still very chilly along the west coast. Precipitation-wise, still fairly wet across most of the country with the exception of the northeast and the high plains. So let's go now to Thanksgiving and beyond. This is the National Weather Service forecast once again. It's saying equal chance as far as temperatures are concerned. So once again, it's going to put us in the lower 50s to possibly upper 40s here in the Ohio Valley, above normal across the northern tier states, but pretty close to normal throughout most of the country. Precipitation-wise, fairly consistent again, very wet across the southeast, dry up in the northeast, but most of us will have an equal chance of seeing some precipitation. So as I said, these are just some preliminary models. As we get closer to Thanksgiving, I will continue to update you on the important travel week for Thanksgiving. Until then, I'm George, the Weather Dad.